Hello folks, 1973 Caboose here with an update. Couple of weekends ago there was a train show in Mechanicville. A buddy of mine wanted this Erie Lackawanna train master I had, so we did a trade. I got a couple engines in trade for the train master, and one of them was this 1970s era Lionel HO skill gp9 in Penn Central, which I need another one of them like a hole in my head, and would not run for crap. I had put a lot of effort and time into getting it running, and wrong direction here. Now this is the result. Yeah, we're using the third track. The last pair of those I had, and then one of them I don't know where the hell it went to, is sitting dead with broken parts on it. This one was a success from the beginning. And thank you for watching.